Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start with Power Stable, the AC adapter plugged in and the backup battery present so time saves. Once done, press the menu button to open device settings. You want the clock or time entry immediately. Use the arrow keys to navigate. Do not press other mode buttons. When the clock entry is highlighted, press Enter or SET to open the time edit screen, because this screen is where hours, minutes, and AM/PM or 24-hour options are adjusted. You now change the numeric fields. Use the up and down arrows to increment hours then minutes. Move deliberately to avoid overshooting. If your model offers AM/PM versus 24-hour, toggle that setting next. 24-hour prevents AM/PM mistakes. Once each field shows the correct value, press SET or Enter to lock that field and move on. Do not exit prematurely. Make sure seconds reset to 0 if present, because accurate start alignment. You finish by saving. Press Save, Set, or Enter until the menu closes and the main display shows the updated time. Once saved, watch the display for a full minute to confirm the clock advances normally, and check any alarms to ensure they still trigger at intended times. If the time reverts or misbehaves, perform a clock reset per manual and replace the backup battery. If problems persist, power cycle the unit and repeat adjustments to ensure settings stick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.